Hello kids, welcome to Circle Time Kids Club. I am Mr. Porter. Can you say Mr. Porter? Yes, right, Mr. Porter. And hey, listen, I have a lot of surprises for you today. Are you ready to receive a surprise? Do you want a surprise? Great! I am so glad you want a surprise because I have a lot of surprises for you when it pertains to education. Can you say education? Education. All right, awesome. Education. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. All right, very good. Can you sing that song? Can you sing along with me? All right, I just gave you the words, so let's sing together. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. Can you draw a circle, boys and girls? Circle. With your right hand. Circle. What about with your left hand? Draw the circle big. Round circle. Round circle. What letter is in the shape of a circle? Right, the letter O. What number is in the shape of a circle? Can you tell me? Correct. 0. Can you put your finger like this? 0. Or like this? 0. Or circle. Circle. Or okay. Today, let's start with the numbers. Can you repeat after me? We're going to count from 1 to 10. Ready and begin. Hold your fingers up. Hold your hands up like this. All right, ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do you see? Right, 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, boys and girls. Give yourself a hand. You did an excellent job, and pat yourself on the shoulders and say, good job. All right, do you know how to sing? Let's see, let's sing a song. What song would you like to sing today, boys and girls? Say it again. Wait a minute, what's that? 5 little monkeys. All right, let's sing 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh, there's that little monkey. He fell off the bed and bumped his head. All right, let's go. What about the 4? Let's go to the other 4. What did they say? 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Oh, that must have hurt. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And how many monkeys were left? 1, 2, 3. 3 more monkeys. Uh-oh. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off, bump, and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor again, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. What's up with these monkeys? 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. That's all that's left. 2 little monkeys. 1 monkey fell off and bumped his head. Oh boy, headache. Those monkeys must have headaches by now. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many more monkeys are left, boys and girls? How many? How many fingers do you see? There's only 1 finger. 1 finger left. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. That monkey fell off of the bed and bumped his head. Ouch! Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now put those monkeys back to bed, Mama. Very good, boys and girls. You sound great. Keep up the excellence because you are smart. All right, let's count. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. You're learning your numbers 1 to 10. Very good counting. All right. What about, the ABCs? Do you know your ABCs, boys and girls? All right, let's sing the ABCs. All right, let's begin with the letter A. The first letter of the alphabet is the letter A. And I want to know if you're willing to rap the number A with me. You are? All right. Outstanding. It's time to get down with the letter A, the first letter of the alphabet. You can say the first letter. The first letter that we learn in school, we're learning is cool to help our minds grow better. When you think about the letter A, all the words and sounds that are made with the letter A, the letter A has a very important position. It gives life to the words as we listen. The letter A. Can you say the sound that the letter A makes? A, a, a. Can you say that? Very good. A, a, a. All right, the letter A. What animals begin with the letter A? Or what words begin with the letter A? Apple. Can you say apple? Very good. What about animal? Do you know any animals that begin with the letter A? Antelope. Can you say antelope? Very good. Antelope. What about the little small creepy little critters and creatures that walk around and search for food and all that, those goodies that fall to the ground that begins with the letter A? Do you know what I'm talking about, boys and girls? Correct. Ant. Ant. Can you say ant? Ant. Outstanding. Excellent. Good job. All right, let's think of another word that begins with the letter A. Can you help me think of a word that begins with the letter A? What is another word that begins with the letter A? We're thinking about another word that begins with the letter A. Aha! I got it. The next word that begins with the letter A is aquarium. Ooh, that is a big word. Aquarium. Can you say aquarium? Aquarium. What is an aquarium? An aquarium is a little home, and some may have it, you may have one in your house, to where the fishes, your little fish, swim around in the aquarium. Aquarium. All right, that is a home for fish. Very good. Give yourself a hand, pat yourself on the shoulder, give the thumbs up. Outstanding. Keep up the good work. All right, let's sing another song. What is the next song that you would like to sing, boys and girls? I got it. How about the song Wheels on the Bus? Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round. What? All through the town. Let's sing that again. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. All right, those were the wheels. Excellent. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The people on the bus go chat, 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 chat. The people on the bus go chat, 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 all through the town. The baby on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horns on the bus go beep, 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 all through the town. Beep, beep, bye-bye, bye-bye. Good to see you, bus, bye-bye. And you wave bye-bye. All right, there's the bus driving off. Oh, bye-bye, bus, and everybody that's on it, babies and all. Very good, boys and girls. Thank you for tuning in today to Circle Time Kids Club. Hopefully you learned all the wonderful lessons that you've learned today. And remember, you are smart, you are excellent, and you have a very bright future. Always remember that as words of encouragement. For those out there that are parents, thank you for tuning in today. We really truly thank you for connecting with us at Circle Time Kids Club, to where your child can continue to learn and launch into bright futures. All right. Until next time, we'll see you. Continue the learning. Bye-bye.